how to draw a kitten. This video is for kids, so comments are off. So first, you draw a circle. Then, you draw 2 triangles. Then, you draw an oval, or maybe a neck connected. Then, you draw a squiggly line. Then I draw another squiggly line.
No. Can we speak to Ted, please?
Then, you draw 2 lines. Another 2 lines.
That's why we're here. We need you.
Then, connect those 2. Now draw these. Another 2 lines. Now you have to repeat it.
Okay, Twink, do your thing.
Now, you draw again.
I'm just making him listen louder.
Then, now, time to add the accessories. And also, not to forget, and do not forget the face.
Hilda, where are you going? I'm going to talk to whoever or whatever it is that runs this place, and I'm going to persuade them to let us go.
Nose.
You can't reason with it.
Now, to use. And draw some dots. And now, whiskers.
I know this is a difficult situation.
Mum, this place is a dream. It's not real. And then, they seem lovely, but they're a memory. Nothing has changed for them since they arrived here.
Now let's add some accessories.
This is it.
Draw the types of accessories that you want to draw. I'm going to add these.
Everything that will ever be for us.
A top hat,
Think about what you're saying.
She's 13 years old, Joanna.
a collar,
What's that?
Is that normal?
No, I've never seen anything like that.
I have.
there. Also, not to forget the patterns.
It's a native fairy country. They must
Wait.
be able to cross between worlds. This is our destiny.
I need to get my cat. Okay, I guess I don't know what it looks like.
Frida!
Hey,
That wasn't scary at all. Seems we've made it.
You have to draw your own patterns. Well, for a cat.
is whether any of them are coming back.
There. Oh wait, I have to make those darker to see better. And now it's done. Now you're finished with your cat. Doot, doot.